The very first time I ever heard about period poverty was probably a conference a couple of years ago. And there was just something about the fact that women, girls didn't have access to menstrual supplies that really didn't sit right with me. I mean, something that's so basic that, half the population of the world is trying to navigate and and that there were people who couldn't afford those supplies, who didn't have access to sanitation facilities, who, were dealing with stigma and shame around that. Like everything about it just felt so wrong. And then when I started to learn more about the ripple effect, the actual impact of that, that's when it really became real for me. Girls missing school, women missing work. That has not just a health implication, but it has an economic implication. And, we already are at a place where women are not equal in terms of pay, in terms of access. And this is just one more barrier that I feel like we could actually tackle. It's something that can be done. And so Days for Girls has really been bringing some unique solutions, sustainable period kits, education, and a whole variety of things. And they also have an entrepreneurship component, which really resonates with me as someone who works with female entrepreneurs. So it was sort of like all of those things together, like recognizing this is a problem that we can and should solve, that it's a human dignity issue, it's a workplace issue, it's a, you know, economic issue. All of those things to me really just keep me at the forefront of this conversation.